Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01727 error in Oracle database 12c. So here you can see that I have already logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called C ## code. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the queries. Okay. Now I already have one table called person file. So it consists of two columns, name and age. So now let me alter this table person file. Alter table person file, add. So I am adding the column called employee number. Not null. So here ORA-01727 numeric precision specifier is out of range 1 to 38, which means that here I mentioned number data type with 0 size for employee number column, which thrown the ORA-01727 error. Also if you give the number data type size greater than 38 also, same 01727 error will be thrown. Okay, so make sure that number data type size between the range 1 to 38.